In this video I'm going to show you how to add a contact widget to your home screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, all you have to do to add that widget is tap and hold at free space on your home screen until icons start shaking, and now you are able to hit on that plus sign and there scroll all the way down until you find contacts. Tap on it, and now you can select between different type of widget. It can be single contact, 4 contacts or 6 contacts. I'll select that one, hit on add widget, and now I can hit on that contact, hit on contact's name to open up my contacts, and now I can switch it to another person. I'll select that person and hit on that free space, and as you see, there are 2 different contacts widgets now on my home screen. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.